what you're looking here is I'm showing you how local people here cut trees. This is a big acacia tree, but it's already been cause of too much brown out here. So they need to trim the branches. But the owner, the old man that I'm building a bungalow, the budget bungalow for, decided to just cut the whole tree. So this is how they do it here, just using a machete, and they tie themselves up on the hip side, tie it up to another branch that they're not cutting, and then the branch that they're cutting is the one they tied up again in another rope, and they keep on whacking it up with a machete until the branch will break apart. But that branch is already been tied up, so it won't just fall down with no direction. But that's a big acacia tree, only done by another old man. So I'll just continue on when the actual branch will fall. So that's the branch has been cut off. That's been tied up, and also the person that's cutting it has been tied up there. But I want to remind you how much I've tried to stop them cutting this tree because it's very big and old, but it's not on my lawn and it's not my tree. So, antay. It's not my land, it's not my tree, so I got no control of this. If they're cutting their trees, but sad really. I don't want people who are environmentalists that are going to have a go at me because I am letting the tree be cut. No, this is not my tree. This is not even on my land. I tried to buy the tree, but they want the tree out of their way because I'm tempted to buy it so they won't cut it, but they are saying that it's the cause of their brownout because the branches keep falling, or during storms it's shaking, and they have no electric, just their house. So here they've cut it, but I'm just trying to show you that some of the risky jobs that people do, just cutting a whole tree by machete. He's now on the steepest part of the tree there. He's tying himself up, and he's been doing this since 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now 2 o'clock, and he's almost done. He said he's gonna do this today, just himself, and then a machete. There, he's tying himself up, and we'll start to cut the small branches first, then lift up the other rope to tie up the next branch that he's gonna cut. That's the branch of the tree that the wood cutter was cutting up there, and when it fall down, they'll just ask the people to untie the branch that fall off, so it will not just fall everywhere, just on the pile that he wanted it to be. So after that they untie that one, he'll pull up the rope again and tie it up on another branch, and start cutting again. I think this whole acacia tree, mga pila ka ni kaadlon mo kung anong tay? Kani bang kahoy? Ha? Kani bang kahoy ba? Kadakuan ni? Aw, sanga ra? Aw, he said he'll just finish this today. It's so I'm asking him how long it takes him there. He's just started out like this morning. Look, he's almost done because he's only cutting the branches up there, but this whole trunk, it still has to be, because this is the one that most furniture makers are buying. This is an old acacia tree. So there you can see, just taking out the branches slowly, but it's already been a day. There. He's just taking out the branches. Oh, a small one. Just using his machete. No freaking... No chainsaws. Nagpalayo bitaw ko na. No chainsaw, just machete. And but I think I'm glad to know that they're also taking precaution by tying their hips around the tree, because I'm the one who's scared for him. That's why I keep telling him, be careful, be careful. So the tree cutting now is on the last 3 branches. He did really finish the cutting of the branches for this day. But he's now on the most critical part, the last end branches. Like you can see up there. Just using a machete. He's tying up the branch he's gonna cut. And he's gonna tie himself to the more solid branch. Where that little branch is tying up is connected. So that's how hard work it is, and for only 500 pesos, does it worth risking your life like this?